Can I connect my Android phone to my Mac without effort? Not at all. Third-party tools can help. In this video, we'll introduce 7 reliable tools that make it easy to connect Android to a Mac or MacBook or iMac. Part 1. How to connect Android to Mac via USB Wi-Fi. MobiKin Assistant for Android is an excellent tool designed for Mac users to manage and transfer data effortlessly between Android devices and Mac computers. Download and install the Mac version of the tool. Connect your phone via USB. Navigate file categories on the left panel, such as Photos, to manage and select images from the main window. Optionally, specify a local Mac folder to save pictures instead of the default location. Transfer selected pics from your Android to your Mac within minutes. Part 2. How to connect Android phone to MacBook via USB. 2.1 Using HornDIS. Connect your Android phone to your Mac via USB. Choose File Transfer or MTP on your phone. Install HornDIS. Then go to System Preferences Network on your Mac to select your Android phone for file access. 2.2 Using Android File Transfer. Download and install Android File Transfer on your Mac. Connect your Android device via USB. Launch the app, find your files, and copy them to your Mac. Part 3. How to connect Android phone to Mac without USB. 3.1 Using Bluetooth. Go to System Preferences Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth and Discovery. Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Pair by selecting your phone's name on your Mac. Confirm with a code and share files from your Android via Bluetooth. Adjust settings and system preferences on your Mac. 3.2 Using Google Drive. On your Mac, log into Google Drive. On your Android, upload files to Google Drive. Noting the folder name, access the folder on your Mac, locate files, and click Download to save them. 3.3 Using Dropbox. Install Dropbox on your Android. Log in and upload files using the plus icon. On your Mac, log into Dropbox. Go to Places, Dropbox, and drag files from there to your Mac. 3.4 Using AirDroid. Install AirDroid on Android. Log in. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. On your Mac, visit AirDroid's site. Log in. Download files like photos by selecting and clicking Download.